Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase indent in Affinity Publisher shortcut key. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to increase indent. We use the shortcut key. Firstly, select the frame text tool. Then click inside the text box and click before the text. Now we want to make this text indent using the keyboard shortcut key. Press tab on our keyboard and we can see here we make indent very easily. We press down arrow and use the left or right arrow, then again press tab. Now we can see we make the indent to using our keyboard very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.